Hey everyone, I am at a Butterfly Tracks meetup. We are at the Ocala Drive-In, and I figured I would do a van tour because I have my hatch tent up. Here are my solar panels. The sun has mostly set, and I've been charging my two power stations here. I have my solar panels connected so that I charge faster. So here's the van. I have my front covers in place, my screen with the window down and the shade down. And welcome to the inside of my van. I made my bed. Here's the dresser. I have kitchen stuff, including coffee and tea here, electrical stuff, health and hygiene. This is cooking things and paper plates and extra cups and pots and pans. This is all food, all the dry goods. Underneath the bed, I have some mats which help compensate for the different elevations of the floor because the back is higher than the front. This is part of the garage. I have an electric heater, extension cord. This is my drill, gas cooktop, sewing kit, bug repellent. I have my snow broom brush, an umbrella, windshield wipers back here. And let's go around. Here is my hatch tent. I don't have a lot in it this trip. Let's go inside. This is inside the hatch tent. The door of the lift gate keeps the tent up. There are no poles. I can get in and out through the back between the dresser and the bed. Under the dresser, I have my boots and my laundry. And I got a little rug. Here's the other bin of my garage, the other windshield wiper, the Bluetti 1 box, a bunch of odds and ends. Some trash here and a little broom and dustpan. There's my bed with my new mattress. This is an electric blanket that I fold up to compensate for the short mattress that's underneath the full mattress. Here is my gotta go and a step stool so that it's easier to get in and out of the hatch. There's water here that looks like there's about 3 gallons in there because that's a 4-gallon container. Shoes. Let's go out the other side. This hatch tent is really convenient. Here's the other side. Open up the other door. Here's the back side of my fridge. I've got a few just odds and ends here. I got my toothbrush, my prescription eye drops. I haven't used this. I got it to put on here and on top of the big dresser here in case things were sliding, but I haven't used it. I have some other little odds and ends like the box for my microphone. Right now I have the skylight shut because it's really hot here. My fridge, I've got some mats to help compensate, like I said. So I got 2 here and then 1 here to help because of the slope. So there's my bed with my body pillow. I'll show you my dresser. Got my keys hanging there. So in here I have stuff that I wanted to have near me, like my towel. I have a USB powered fan. I got my mouth guard that I sleep with at night. Here's one of the fans. And this is the other fan. It has a light as well. So those are those. Here I have some clothing that I just shoved in there. These are mostly in packing cubes. I have one for bras, one for underwear, one for short-sleeved stuff, including dresses. Here are socks. These are pajamas and sweatshirts. They are very handy. I have a tripod up here, some essential oil, a headlamp. These are long sleeve shirts and long pants. In here I have house slippers, an electric blanket. This is my USB heated snow pants. I have not needed any of that since I've been in Florida. This is the electric USB or battery powered lantern, which I also have not put up for ambiance because it's been really warm. Under my bed, I have laundry, which I need to find a better place for, and boots. Now, this is what I see when I'm sitting up in bed. Got water and cookies and oranges and stuff to make coffee. I have the Wild Wind, which is a Jetboil clone, works amazingly well. Here I have crochet projects. This is a cute card that our host Michelle gave me. Isn't that nice? This powerful affirmation reminds you of your strength and potential to create the life you desire. On the front it says, I can achieve my goals and dreams one step at a time. When you believe in yourself and your abilities, you are more likely to take action toward your goals and turn your dreams into reality. So I need to find a good place for that. Maybe I'll just stick it right there for the meantime. Let's look at my front seat. In the front, I have cold weather gear. Here's my coat and gloves. Here's fly swatters. This is the mattress that I replaced with buying that new one, and I need to return to Amazon once I get home because there's a blow-up pillow that needs to go with it. Here's origami, which I have not done, a lap tray, which I haven't used, and here's also the sink, pop-up sink that I haven't used, moisture eliminator, haven't used. I'll stick that over here out of the way. There we go. These are for the different things that I have up. This is for the window coverings, these window coverings. Both of them fold up together and go into this little bag, and they actually do fit quite well in this little bag. It's just amazing. This is for the hatch tent. This is for the tent poles. And this bag is for all of these pop-in window coverings. So these are from Amazon, and they are for all of the windows. comes in a complete set except for these little triangular windows on the side here. I'm going to get my kitty, which is not waving its arm because it's not getting any solar. So that's my van. I've been having a great time here in Florida, and I will be going home in a few more days. See you next time. Thanks for watching.